Welcome to The Explainer. So, today we're looking at a totally fascinating and honestly a completely transformative narrative about the modern workforce. We're right in the middle of this massive structural shift because of rapid AI integration, right? And today, we're breaking down a story drawn directly from our sources that maps out the exact dilemma countless professionals are facing right this very second. It's basically a journey from comfort to obsolescence, and finally, to adaptation.
Okay, so let's dive right into this with a question that, well, it might make you a little uncomfortable. Are you safe from the AI integration of 2026? Look, most of us like to think our jobs are secure. We think, our specific skills are completely immune to automation. But as we'll see in the narrative drawn from our source material today, that false sense of security, yeah, that's exactly what makes the current technological shift so incredibly dangerous.
Section 1. The Comfort of Predictability. We're following a case study of an ordinary office worker in Chicago named Jake. Now, Jake had a really comfortable life. He took the exact same train every single morning, he sat at this same desk, drank this same coffee, and relied on a steady paycheck and solid health insurance. Everything in his routine just felt deeply safe. I mean, he was doing exactly what society tells us to do to be secure in our careers, right? But then the environment changes. One Monday morning, an all-hands meeting gets called at his company. The CEO walks in with this confident smile and drops an announcement. We're integrating AI to boost productivity and stay competitive. Now, the reaction in the room, it was pure excitement. The whole place buzzed. Everyone was thinking, hey, this means less manual work, faster results, smarter systems. Jake literally leaned back in his chair and thought to himself, finally, things are about to get easier. Section 2. The Silent AI Shift. Fast forward just 3 months later, and things started to feel a little, off. Suddenly, it's the AI writing the reports. It's the AI answering the routine client emails. The AI is analyzing massive sets of data in literally a matter of seconds. And as a direct result of all this, Jake's workload was just visibly shrinking right before his eyes. And this brings us to a super fascinating psychological transition. At first, it really did feel like relief. But then it felt like a warning. You can probably imagine the feeling, right? Having fewer emails to answer feels absolutely fantastic on a random Tuesday morning. But when days go by and this machine is just doing all the heavy lifting effortlessly, that relief morphs into this creeping, quiet anxiety. Jake was basically witnessing his own obsolescence in real time. Section 3. The Devastating Aftermath. Friday, 4:47 p.m. An email arrives with a subject line, Role Update. Jake opens it. Due to recent AI integration, your position has been made redundant. Just like that. 5 years of loyalty, 5 years of the same train, the same coffee, the same desk, all of it completely gone in a single automated email. There was absolutely no warning, no second chance, just done. The reality of a sudden drop-off like that is just severe. The very next morning, everything was different. There was no alarm going off, there was no office to commute to, just a sudden, crushing lack of purpose. Jake sat there in silence, staring at his laptop, sending out applications. But the rejections just kept coming back, again and again. And you know what the most soul-crushing part was? Most of the responses from recruiters sounded exactly the same. We've automated this role. The very technology that took his job was now guarding the doors to his next one. Section 4. The Realization. So the really crucial point is what happens next. One night, while endlessly scrolling through YouTube videos on AI tools, automation, and future skills, this massive paradigm shift hits Jake. AI wasn't the enemy. It was just the new reality. And this is the moment everything flips for him. He realizes he's faced with a stark binary choice. He can either stay replaced, or he can actively choose to become relevant again. Section 5. The Comeback Strategy. Jake decides to adapt. He completely refuses to stay obsolete, and here is the exact blueprint of how he resurrected his career. Step 1. He learned AI tools. The very same tools that threatened his livelihood, he sat down and mastered them. Step 2. He started freelancing, putting those brand new skills into practice immediately out in the real world. And Step 3. He deliberately built the skills that companies actually needed in this new automated landscape. Our source notes it was definitely not easy, but he put in the hard work and, well, it worked. And this brilliantly illustrates the sheer power of that adaptation. Just track this progression with me. Day 1. Laid off via sterile email. Month 1. Deep into learning AI tools and automation. Month 3. Confident enough to start freelancing his services. And by month 6,
Just half a year later, the dynamic has completely flipped. Jake isn't desperately looking for a job anymore. The jobs are now looking for him. He totally transitioned from being a victim of technology to a highly sought-after professional. Which brings us to this incredibly powerful quote from Jake, looking directly back at his journey. He said, "AI didn't take my job. It replaced the version of me that refused to evolve." That is the ultimate lesson here. The technology itself wasn't some malicious force targeting him. It was simply a catalyst that demanded an evolution in his skill set. The old, predictable version of Jake was incompatible with the new world, so he had to upgrade himself. Section 6. The 2026 Ultimatum. Our sources point to a very clear divide coming our way. By 2026, there were only going to be two types of people in the white-collar workforce. Group 1, those who got replaced by AI, and Group 2, those who learned how to use it. There is absolutely no middle ground here. There's no hiding in the comfort of predictability anymore. So I'm going to leave you with this final critical thought. The technology is here. The shift has already happened, and the fundamental rules of the workplace have changed forever. You have the exact same choice that Jake had. The question is, which one are you?